Hello, this is Ali from Minch Machinery Equipment. We're here to talk about some products in our company and to introduce this machine to you because we have now Super September Export Festival. You can have some discounts around 10% from our company. As you can see here, this is our machine. 15 laser cutting machine is a fiber cutting machine. Use the laser to cut the metal, and this machine is very suitable to engrave the metal, stainless steel, and another metals. If you want to use it for doing some designs or to do your products, this machine will be suitable for you. This machine has a power around 1000, and we can provide different powers and different designs. Also, we can provide different brands and another things. It depends on your specifications and what products do you do. So if you are really in need for this machine, you just contact us as soon as possible in this occasion or in this month, so you can get your discount. And thank you for your listening, and welcome to order from our company. Thank you.
Minch always does the best.